Fusion Markets.
In this video, I will show you how to fund your TradingView account via Fusion Markets Client Hub. All payment transactions should be made on Fusion Markets Client Hub. To fund your TradingView account, log into your Fusion Markets Hub and navigate to the Payments tab. Select the trading account that you wish to fund, then click Proceed. You will see all the available deposit methods for your account from here. Kindly note that the available deposit methods may vary depending on the country where you are registered. Choose the method you prefer and put the details needed for the deposit. Click Deposit once done. For bank transfers, we only provide our banking details. You may use your online banking to process the deposit, or you may do it over the counter, paying directly to the bank.